Hi there, this is Jennifer with Rome Fields, and today is day 93 of our 100 days of knit stitches. Actually, it's day 94. This is a rib and welt stitch. It is similar to one that we have done in the past. I don't remember what number it was right now, but this is a 20 row repeat. So I'm just going to do the last 2 rows, and I wanted to show you what the pattern looks like so far. I cast on in multiples of 10, so I have 20 stitches, so I have 2 repeats, and I cast on using the backwards loop method because it doesn't really have a front and a back. It looks the same on both sides, which I am glad that I did, because I'm ready for row 19, which means that this is the right side of the work. I'm gonna flip it over here. However, I kind of like this side better, even though it is the same. I don't know why. I like the way I don't know. I just like it better. But that's just me. So this is the back side. It is reversible, so I'm not sure that there's technically a right or a wrong way because they both look the same or similar, just opposites. So like I said, it's a 20 row repeat. So you do a knit, purl, knit, and then you have 7 stitches that are all the same. It just leans. So you're gonna have this diagonal. So it makes it a little easier to tell where you're at on your pattern. So like here you have 4 purls, 3 knits, 2 purls. So the next row, I'm gonna have 1 knit stitch. So that's how I know I'm on row 19. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this row. So we're gonna knit 1, which is not in the repeat. So now we're gonna start the repeat with purl, knit, purl, and then we're gonna knit 7 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that is the constant in the pattern. Knit, purl, 7, or purl, knit 7. I hope I said that right. So I have purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, and then we're going to knit 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for row 20, so you see we just moved it over, so you have all the knit stitches, and I call the knit stitches the valley. So you have peaks and valleys. So row 20 is just knit the knits and purl the purls. So we're going to, so you can see the difference. So these are purl stitches because they have the bars on the top, and then that is the knit stitch. So purl, knit, knit, purl, knit. And then those knit stitches follow purl stitches. So the purl is the bar. So wherever there's a bar, we're going to purl. 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 And then we're going to knit. Purl, knit, purl. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, because you had 7 knit stitches on the back side. So this is 7 purl stitches. So when you're making a knit stitch on one side, you are creating a purl stitch on the opposite side. So that was row 20. So here you can see it leans to the left. So this is the back side of the work. My goodness. And then this is the front side. So, and then you can see how it leans this way. And you just had 1 stitch there. So now you're ready to start back over on row 1. Like I said, it is a 20 row repeat. It is easy once you see the pattern to remember it. However, it'll take a few repeats before I would be able to memorize it. So Mostly if you just look and you can kind of look and see where you're at, and then you get the hang of it. With a blanket, this would be, it'd be pretty easy to memorize it because it's very repetitive. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's new stitch, and I hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching.